Have you ever wondered what remarkable feats of determination can do, even in the face of insurmountable odds? Today, we delve into the heart of Haiti, to a place called Wanament, where the spirit of resilience shines brighter than ever. Picture a small community nestled in the Caribbean, embarking on an ambitious endeavor, a canal project. Not just a simple waterway, but a testament to their resolve and unity. It's a story that begins with a dream to transform their livelihoods and secure a future for their children. The journey wasn't smooth sailing, far from it. The project faced a torrent of challenges, much like the water that would soon course through their canal. Opposition sprang from unexpected corners, from the Dominican Republic to their own Haitian government. The pressure was immense, the threats real, but the people of Wanamint stood their ground. They had a saying, Kanal Pap Kanpé, or the canal will not stop. And true to their word, they did not stop. Despite the hurdles, the project began to take shape. The community worked tirelessly, their hands shaping the future with each shovel of dirt. The canal, once a dream, was now a tangible symbol of their determination. They faced the heat of the day, the exhaustion, the skepticism, and yet they persevered. It was a triumph of human spirit, a testament to what can be achieved when a community stands together. The Canal project in Wanamint is more than just a tale of a waterway. It's a story of resilience, of determination, of a community's unwavering belief in their dreams. They faced opposition, they faced challenges, but they faced them together. And in doing so, they have shown the world what it means to be truly defiant in the face of adversity. In summary, the story of Wanament is a powerful reminder of the strength of the human spirit. Their Canal project, a symbol of their resolve. Despite the pressure, despite the opposition, the people of Wanamint stood firm. They proved that Kanal Pap Kanpé, the canal will not stop. And in their determination, they have shown us all what it truly means to never give up. So as we conclude our journey today, let's carry with us the spirit of the people of Wanamint, a spirit of resilience, of determination, of unity. Because in the end, it's not just about building a canal, it's about building a future. And that, my friends, is a project worth fighting for. KPK, Kanal Pap Kanpé.